visualization. What we young lawyers do sometimes, and in fact even other lawyers do, is that you do not anticipate what is going to happen in the court. You go with your script, which is very well written. You have a quick turn of phrase, you have witty one-liners, you have quotation from a very important Supreme Court case. But hearing is not going to pan out like that. You're dealing with human beings, you're dealing with variables. I used to prepare very good speeches initially when I started off, but it's almost never that I could finish it, because something would come up, somebody would move an application to take the hearing off the rails. The judge would have very specific questions for me, but I would say, let me do my affirmative opening speech first, which I have spent considerable time on, and then I'll answer your questions. That doesn't work. If the judge asks you a question, maybe he's read the file and there is no reason for you to summarize the facts again or what the issue is. He's asking you a very pointed question. You have to be open to that question and be prepared for that question. And law and litigation in that sense is all about visualization. It's about reading your brief for an hour, then sitting down for an hour with your eyes closed, with no screens in front of you, no distractions, and thinking about the multiple ways in which a hearing may pan out. This is what the judge may ask me. If this is what he asked, this is what I'm going to answer. Then there might be a follow-up question. I would deal with the follow-up question in so and so way. You should have those mental flowcharts. And that would happen as you go along. Nobody's born with that sort of foresight. You can't look into a crystal ball. As you look and experience various situations, you'll know those dots that you have to connect. And those dots, would only come once you've lived those moments. So it would come with time. Have patience. You have the benefit now with VC and all of that, of learning from other people's mistakes. Many courts across the country are open now. Try to get a peek of what's happening. Note down the good strategies that worked with lawyers. Note down the things that didn't work at all. Note how a lawyer, sometimes mirrors the same words as the judge to establish that connect, that the lawyer understands what the judge is saying, how a lawyer anticipates what the judge is going to ask, how the lawyer has a way of putting, a proposition which does not make it look pedagogical, as if you're talking down to the judge or you're trying to teach the judge something. You learn all of those skills, by osmosis when you experience it and by thinking about it. Don't just read your brief, also think about it.